Hey folks, this is Backstage Audio. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the KLIPSCH R41 monitor speakers. These monitor speakers are sitting right here. You can take a look. So let's go and check it out. Alrighty, here goes. Unboxing this one. Like I said, I don't have a fancy unbox cutter or whatever you want to call that. Just use a simple scissor. Works well for me. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Okay, I'm going to take this top section off. That's what these bad boys are. Always curious to know where is the back side, where's the front. So this is where the grill is. This is going to be the front. Just going to keep this here. Okay, and then we just have this one. There could be a lot of damage that happens to an item when you're unboxing. So this one comes with a manual. Okay, the manual is right at the bottom. And then, of course, it comes with feet. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These can be installed. You just take these off, and then, it comes with a 3M tape at the back. So it has a nice balance at the back. Okay, so that's it. And installation. How to install this one. It tells you, if you're installing it on a home theater setup, how it's going to be, where your TV is going to be, etc., etc. So, yeah, empty box. All I need to do is just take this one off, and the box can go in the trash. And this is where your speakers are. Okay, so that's right here. Taking it out of the plastic. And I'm going to take so this one is going to be similar to the other one. So it's all just passive, which is exactly what I was looking for. So these are pair of passive speakers. And of course, the banana plugs are going to go connected here. And the same with the other one as well. And now this is the front of the speakers. Remember, they have a grill. And I believe the grill is magnetic. Okay, so these are magnetic grills, which is awesome for a product like this. So let's try taking the grill off. And okay, so I'm just going to, oh wow, it's awesome. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And if I just place this grill closer to the speaker, it's gonna just clip like a magnet. Okay, so you go. Yeah, clips like a magnet. Same with this one. You don't have to, like the edifiers, you don't have to take them off each pin, take it off. You just pull it out and it will stick like a magnet. I'm not sure if you can see what it looks like at the bottom. Just gonna try zooming in, and these are clips to reference. You can see there. Really beautiful looking. And then of course you have the tweeter. Yeah, from the KLIPSCH reference range of monitors. Okay. Very simple to install, and I really like the look and feel of it. Yep, so that's nice and secure. And all that's needed now is to connect it to a Yamaha amplifier for some awesome sound. Like I said, it's the back, that's the front. That's what it looks like. Pairing it with an Edifier T5 subwoofer. It's going to be amazing with a Yamaha amplifier. I hope you enjoyed watching that unboxing of the KLIPSCH R41M as much as I enjoyed presenting it to you. Until my next video, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in my upcoming videos. Bye for now.